Supermindz!
Hey there! Today, we're diving into a topic called force. Imagine you're playing with your favorite toy car. What do you need to make it move? That's right, you need force. But what exactly is force? Let's keep it simple. Force is like a push or a pull on something. It's what makes things move, change direction, or stop. It's like when you push your toy car to make it roll across the floor. When you push something, like a door, you give it a force in one direction. And when you pull something, like a wagon, you give it a force in the opposite direction. Can you think where force applies in our daily lives? When you kick a ball, you apply force to make it move. When you open a door, you apply force to push or pull it.
If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.